Okay, finally we are back with this full black G-Shock Rangeman GW9401B. Or most of you must have known and recognized this model because it is one of the best-selling G-Shock products in its category. This GW9400 does get the official Rangeman nickname, which is also printed on the back cover. And without a doubt, the GW9400 model is one of the best G-Shock ever built. Especially this model was first released in 2013. So, what's new with this GW9401B? Unfortunately nothing new, except for the use of a darker color for the whole watch, which is called blackout. But let us remind you that this watch has the perfect combination of tough design and plenty of features. The first is of course the tough solar feature, which is a proud feature of the G-Shock watch. And then we have some features that will come in handy for outdoor enthusiasts, the triple sensor. These triple sensors are an altimeter for measuring altitude, a digital compass used for navigation and orientation that shows direction relative to the geographic cardinal directions, and a barometer for measuring air pressure. Even in barometer mode, you can also read the temperature sensor. Not only has the features that are quite complete, but the GW9400 is also equipped with a very thick bezel design, which is 18.2mm, and a very tough design of buttons. The retail price for the G-Shock GW9401B is $330. Do you think it's too expensive or worth it? Considering the phenomenal features and design, we think the price is quite reasonable. And don't be fooled by its size, because the G-Shock GW9401B only weighs less than 100 grams. Of course, it is quite light when used on the wrist. This is inseparable from the resin material used to build this watch. Even so, this watch is still very tough because the GW9400 series of watches designed and engineered for use by those whose work takes them into extreme environments scattered with rubble, dirt, and debris. Cylindrical buttons provide outstanding operation and improved resistance to impact. The frequently used sensor button, center right, has a metal cover that protects it against lateral impact and keeps foreign matter out. To operate the light, we just need to press the button in the middle once. The lighting for the GW9400 is very excellent. All data and information can be read very clearly in dark conditions. We also noticed that the looper got the black ion-plated finish to align the overall color to black. It's just that the buckle part still uses the original stainless steel color without black ion-plated finishing. While the design and material of the resin band have no difference with its predecessor. And the GW9400 also gets a fairly long resin band strap, so don't worry if you have a big wrist. With all its advantages, it's no wonder that Rangeman is the perfect choice for rangers, rescue crews, and anyone else whose profession or activities demand unfailing reliability. Still not sure which G-Shock is your choice? Well, don't worry, we highly recommend this GW9400 series as a highly flexible watch for any activity. But if you still want other G-Shock options, you can subscribe to get the latest G-Shock information from our channel. Thanks for watching and see you on other videos.